Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup Ranveer Brar easy method. Start by prepping vegetables and warming stock, then sweat onions and garlic until soft, add carrots and celery, and sauté briefly. Pour in hot vegetable stock and bring to a gentle simmer. Add potatoes, tomatoes, and seasonal vegetables, then cook until tender. Finish with fresh herbs, lemon juice, and a drizzle of good olive oil for brightness before serving. I will explain the core ingredients and simple swaps for a homey vegetable soup. Use a mix of aromatics and root vegetables for a solid base. Choose stock that complements your vegetables and keep herbs fresh for finishing. If you like heartier soup, add beans or small pasta during the last cooking stage. Remember, salt brings out flavors, and acid like lemon or vinegar lifts the final bowl. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while cooking. It seals well and is easy to grab between steps. I always keep one nearby when prepping and tasting soup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will help you master simple cooking steps to make a confident soup. Start by sweating aromatics slowly, then build layers by adding vegetables by hardness. Maintain a gentle simmer so vegetables soften evenly and flavors meld without clouding the broth. Taste and season throughout, and use a bit of acid at the end for brightness. Serve with a drizzle of olive oil and fresh herbs to complete the bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.